have something warm. I have the small Trangia triangle with me. We'll try how that works in this. I don't think I need much of that. I have this small, it's like a lunchbox from Trangia. You can cook in it. Or like me, having some leftover pancakes. Hope you can see that. I'm just going to heat it up. Yes, it's lit. So I'm just going to put this on and let it heat up. Right? Let's see if it works without burning these pancakes in the bottom. We'll be careful. Okay, I think I hear some frying in the box. That's good. Quite windy. But I hear it heats up and fries. I think I need to have to check on that. Oh, perfect. No sticking. That's leftover pancakes made this morning, so I had pancakes for breakfast as well. Seems good. I just prepared this mess tin with some butter in the bottom. Rolled the pancakes with some jam. Rolled the pancakes with some jelly. I just want them to heat up and then it's good. Well, looks good. The side of Lake Vänern, the third largest lake in Europe. The two largest is in western Russia. It's like an inland sea. I will take you down and have a look once more. Perfectly warmed up. Definitely keeping me warm. This couldn't be better. A sunny day in February. Riding the bike. Usually it sleeps in my garage. Sleeps in my garage this time of the year. and we have some snow usually, or it's very, very cold. Well, that was it. Burner cools off pretty fast when it's chilly like this. Pretty neat little stove. Fits in a small bag like this, with its burner as well.